Hi, this is Disha.
Yeah, and hi, this is Antony.
And we're doing number 4 from page 243 in the textbook, 5.1 direct derivation. Here's number 4. The total cost of apples varies directly with the mass in kilograms form. Apples cost $1.50 per kilogram. Here's 4A. Choose appropriate letters for variables. Make a table of values showing the cost of 0 kilograms, 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, and 3 kilograms of apples. The expression that we're going to use is C equals 1.50. 1.50 is the cost per apple. C represents the cost and A represents the apples. So if the kilograms or the mass is 0, then the cost would also be 0. And if it's 1 kilogram, then the cost would be 150. If it's 2 kilograms, then $3. And if it's 3 kilograms, then 450. Because we have to substitute the value of the apples with into the expression so that we can get the cost. That's how you do 4A. Now here's 4B.
And 4b, it says graph the relationship. So first off, when you're making a graph, you need to decide what you're going to put on the y-axis, the x-axis, and what is going to be your title. So first, when you're doing your x-axis, the x-axis will represent how much apples in mass kilograms. And on the y-axis, we wrote C because it represents the cost. So firstly, we start off by plotting our points once we got our graph. And yeah, and x is 0, y is 0, 1 is 1, x equals 1, and y equals 150. X equals 2, and y equals $3, and x equals 3, and y equals 450.
So we plot the points on the graph according to that.
Yeah. So now moving on to 4c. Write an equation in the form y equals 2ax. So when we start writing our expression, we need to look back on our, like what we did on 4a and 4b. So looking at our table and looking at our graph. So first we need to start off by writing C because that's the cost, and we need to find out how much it will cost. So C equals 150. So why did we write 150?
150 is the cost per apple, or per kilogram.
And for the reason we wrote A is because we're trying to, on this question, it asked us how many apples will it cost for each kilogram. Yeah, per kilogram. So so A represents apples. So and C represents cost. One thing when you also do your graph is if it goes in an orderly way, it's better to draw a line to connect it. And that's about it for number 4. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.